Hi, third graders. Today we're going to learn about writing an opinion paragraph. And your teachers have assigned an opinion paragraph with the question, do you like learning from home or learning at school? So we're going to start with our outline. First, we'll need a topic sentence. Then we'll need an idea. After our first idea, we want a detail. And then our second idea, our second detail, our third idea, and our third detail. And then we want to remember our conclusion. So we'll put that in too. So now we have our outline. Oops. And we'll go back up to our topic sentence, and you'll see I have co-writer here to help me. If you have co-writer at home, you can use it to help you as well. So I think we'll start my paragraph with the question, do you like learning from home or learning at school? So do you like? Now learning's kind of hard for me, but there it is. Learning from home or there's school. So then what we do in an opinion paragraph, we give our opinion. So I'll say I like. Oh, how do you spell learning again? There it is. And then there's school. Okay, so now I've done my topic and I'm ready. Uh-oh, look, it's underlined in red. Let's see if we can correct it. There we go. Okay, so our first idea, we need to first use the word or the transition word first. Oh, there's first. Give it a comma. So I think I'm going to say, I like learning with my friends. Learn, so there's learn. If I go back, I want learning. I know it's ing. I like learning with my friends. And then I have to give a detail. So I'm going to say, friends make learning fun. Whoops. Friends hang on. There we go. Make. There's make. There's learning. Fun. I think I'll use an exclamation point. And then our next idea, we want to use the transition word next. And I think for this idea, I think I'd like to talk about my teacher. Next, I like, there's that word learning again. And then I think I'll use from my teacher. There's the word teacher. and I'll want to give a detail. Oh, I see a blue line. That means I have one too many spaces. Okay, now I can go back and do my detail. So I think I'll say teachers are smart. And there's the word smart. Now I'm ready for my last idea. So I'll use the transition word last. I'm going to put something about recess. And then, how do you spell recess? Oh, there it is. Oh, one too many spaces again up there, so I can fix it. And then my last detail, I'm going to say it's nice to take a break with friends. It is nice. Oh, I'm not sure how to spell break, but there it is. And then there's with right there too. Let's see if we can get friends to pop up. Yes, we can. And then we're ready for our conclusion. So for our conclusion, I think I'll use the transition phrase, all in all. There you go. And I think I'll say learning at school is the best. Here's school. Here's best right there. So now I have finished. Oh, I have to fix spacing again. So what I do is I go back and I look for the outline words and I take the outline words out. So I just took out topic, and then I took out the word idea, then I take out the word detail, then I take out this word idea, then I take out this detail, this idea, this last detail, and this word conclusion. Take it out as well. And so what I can do is I can press tab at the very beginning to indent, and then I can highlight the whole paragraph and have co-writer read it to me. And that's the end. I don't think I have any other corrections to make. I hope all of you third graders have a great time writing this paragraph at home. See you next time.